Hi everyone. So we all know that how difficult or how hectic it is to create brand creatives for our brands or our businesses on a daily basis regarding any kind of event or any kind of process that we wanted to do. So and there is no free way, the free and open source way to do this, right? In the automation. That's why I was using, I have used Zapier, Make, and all these automation softwares and web applications, but I was never satisfied because of the money aspect that I have to do. I have to pay for every execution or every other node that I'm going to use in my workflow. So that's why I was attracted to the n8n, and I've been part of n8n community for past few months, and I've been enjoying the whole ride right now. But the thing that I have noticed in n8n so far is this is the biggest pain point of businesses right now, and there is no easy way or a free way to do this in n8n. So that's why I posted that if someone is looking for similar kind of process or workflow, and I've gotten a good amount of response from you guys, and thanks for asking to share the video. So here it is. I have created a small workflow to showcase the power of n8n and the customization that we can do in the brand creatives. Like what we want to do in a brand creative is that it should reflect the colors, the fonts, right, of the brand, and it should not be repetitive. Like it should not be a single template that we are changing the text to. Like we see a lot of bulk reel creation or bulk post creation using Canva automation, wherein Excel and all those mapping thing is being done, right? So we are going to do that as well, but at the same time what I wanted to do is to change the color of the elements as well, to change the colors or the whole design of the template as well every time I post a new content. So that was not possible, and at least that was not possible dynamically using any free tool right now. So in this particular workflow, what I've done is I've taken the elements and I've make sure that on basis of different dynamic criterias or conditions, different kind of colors will be generated. Right? I'll show that how you can also create different conditions to showcase different kind of colors for your brand creatives, and depending on the let's say holiday, or depending on any kind of situation, Monday, Tuesday, Friday, right? So let me show you the template before saying or blabbering more things. And pardon my English, I'm not native English. I'm from India. I speak Hindi very well, and I'll be recording a video for in Hindi as well, and where you'll see me smiling and shouting in Hindi, right? I'm not very comfortable. All I'm trying to say. So let me show you the workflow very fast. It's been around 4 minutes already. So here's the workflow. Here's the template that we are going to automate for our particular use case. Why this template? Because this is a listicle, and most of the brands, right now are in listicles are in right now, wherein you share the knowledgeable content and good points about different kind of topics. It's easy and good presentable way where you can share the information or engage your customers using brand creatives over social media, right? So what we'll do here is we'll first of all uh, it would not be possible without Canva. So Canva is an amazing tool, and uh, I hope soon we'll have a Canva node in n8n as well, and we will not we I hope soon we'll have a Canva node in n8n, and we don't have to go through all these things. Although, even though we will have a Canva node, we'll still be able to do all these things, and many of the you know, workflow nodes will remain the same, even if we'll have the Canva Okay. Having said that, let's continue. So what we'll do is we'll copy the elements of this particular template one by one. So like this is the background. I'll copy this background. This is the element. I'll copy this element and paste it one by one. Like I have pasted it already, and we'll download it with transparent background, each element one by one. Make sure that you don't move this particular element, because if you move it, it will not be at the same position like as in the template. So when you're going to copy, just click here, Control C, copy, and Control V in this blank post. It will be pasted at the same position at it was in the default template position. Okay. So after doing this, we'll have to download this image with the transparent background. So we have only this particular element and at this position only. Now, after doing this for all the elements, I've taken a very big element-wise template because there are very small, a lot of elements are there. Around 15, 16 different elements are there which we can customize. So what we'll do is I'll show the other thing as well. For the colors, if you want to change the color, you can change the color to any particular color. Let's suppose this, and you'll download this color file as well. Okay, to change it dynamically. So according to your brand, you may have 3, 4, 5 different color palette to showcase your brand or brand colors, right? So these will be those colors only. All right. Continuing, after you have downloaded this, we'll go and download each of those files. Yes, one more thing. Uh, Here, when you download a particular image, you have to select this particular option, put output file in field. So what it will do is this name you'll be able to get, because otherwise you'll get data in every downloaded file and it will be very confusing for you and for anyone to actually examine which particular file is which. So I've done this. I've renamed each file, and the same color files I've renamed it like this. Like for the first file is one, so the other color file or purple or any file you can name it as you want. I have for the sake of this video, I have named it 1_1, so that I'll be it'll be easy for me to check which one was it, right? So I've downloaded all the elements in the n8n, and then this is going to this workflow wherein this particular AI node wherein I have put a prompt. A prompt is today's simple conditional prompt is this, and this is conditional prompt. I've taken today's date, and if it is an odd date, give one as an output. If it is an or else give 1_. Do not generate anything. So this is a very easy conditioning that I've used. This is what I love about AI agent nodes in n8n. There are a lot of things that we want to do, or for the challenges of open source or no code, we were not able to do earlier. But using these AI agents, we are using a certain kind of condition just by asking the AI, right? So this whole thing would have taken an if and else statement and input and output, a lot of coding that I have done I have done in just by giving it a simple prompt. So it's very amazing. The AI agents are going to change the world. So here this is what I've done. I'll इधर दौड़ है उधर दौड़ है ये जीना यारो दौड़ है ये आगे है कोई पीछे है ये भागम भागम दौड़ है. So it's executing. My workflow is executing. All the files are downloading. I'll show you the output here. So there is another thing is you might you must be seeing this merge node. Why have we used merge node? So what the constraint here was that if I go series by series in n8n and download all the images and then put a AI agent node in the same series connection or in the same data flow. What was happening is, because this Google Drive was giving us the binary as an output, and the OpenAI was giving JSON. So this was conflicting, and the further the node that I used, the edit node, was not able to get the binary file. So that's why what I've done here is I've merged the both the OpenAI's result, and as well as the all the downloaded files result in the same merge node, and I'll show you the merge node as well, so that you'll get the exact idea. Combine all possible combinations. It will give all the possible combinations. So moving on, I'll execute this as well so that we'll get the output. Yeah. So here all the elements that we need, we have all the elements one by one downloaded, 1:1, BG, 16, 15. Many elements I've used, right? And I have edited these elements one by one. As you can see, this is a multi-step operation edit image that I'm doing, and the base property name is BG, because on that particular background I want all the elements to be composite on, right? So this is, I'm using a composite function in a edit image node of n8n. So what this composite function will do is it will composite another image, and there are many other functions as well. So it will composite the image on the base image that you're going to provide, right? So operator, yes. So over the image, out the image, and multiply, minus in. There are multiple things that you can do. Copy the red, copy opacity, multiple things that you can do with the image right now with this particular node. It's very powerful node, and very less people talk about it. It's very useful. I've just started, using this particular node, and in future I'll be, sharing more of my workflows using the edit image node to create brand creatives. So stay tuned, because there are a lot of possible use cases that we can do using this, n8n, and the automations that it provides and the power it provides, right? So stay tuned. I'll be sharing a lot of AI nodes and AI workflows that I've created in past few months. Yeah. So this composite node will composite each element one by one, like you can see, because it is a multi-step edit image. What we are doing here. So every image will be composited, as you can see here, and once it is composited, it will give the whole image. Now, to do this dynamically, what I have done here is, the first element that we were using, like the first element, that was this element, this above back, this element, the background of this particular first item of this list, right? So I have taken two colors of this background, right? So now to generate, like here it is generating one. So because of the AI agent node that we have taken, right? See, json.message.content, json.message.content one. This is the result from AI node, and that's why we had to use the merge node, because we were using the AI agent node to dynamically select the content, right? And this prompt that we were using in the AI agent node, you can be more specific in using this particular prompt node, and further I'll show you how basically, not just prompt, you can I have used this particular OpenAI node. You can use an AI agent here, and AI through that, I have used AI agent as well, but here as well you can use an AI agent and give it a specific task or multiple tasks, so that for each image there is a brand, brand images being showcased. So that you can do all those things, multiple things that you can do using this prompt only. So each level of customization is available in this particular workflow. Now, edit node, I have explained it, how it is working and what it is doing. So BG node, first property we have taken BG node again because we want to composite all the elements over the BG node only. Now let's test this. It will composite all the elements over the BG node. So BG over the background image. I'm I'm really sorry if there is an problem in understanding my English. Yeah, here it is. So all the elements are being composited, all the elements are being used, and we have a fresh, blank, beautiful template here. Right? Now we just have to edit and put the text here. So this is the AI agent node that I'm using to input the text. What it is going to do is write an listicle for 4 items on the topic of entrepreneur. In this topic, we can change, we can use a form, we can use a WhatsApp bot to send it this particular topic, these the topics that you can send. So it's an again a very cool automation and very cool and easy way to create dynamic creatives, because this particular prompt, we can actually automate this prompt as well. Like when we have a customer schedule, we want to send them creative. When we want to create branding or listicles, we can do this. When we want to create promotions, we can do this. And the content of our templates will not be the same. The content of our templates will be customized to according to our needs. So this is very amazing and creative way to change the content altogether in each and every post that you're doing, as well as the colors. So and I'm taking the structured output. Many of you may know how structured output perform works. So I'll execute this node as well, and let's see what result is showing. Entrepreneur hacks: start with a vision, embrace failure, learn from others, stay persistent. Crazy, 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 altogether crazy, right? Now I'll merge this as well, as I already explained why we are using the merge node, and then we'll edit the text over this image, the text that was generated by the AI agent node, right? So we should have a good image with us. Oh, so yeah, so there are other things that you can do to improve this particular template, and I'm leaving it to your imagination and creativity that what you want to do. So this was the template, and you can probably connect this to any social media or anywhere you wanted to send it to. And you can also use using a manual trigger. You can use a trigger wherein you get the set of information that what kind of post you want to do. Like this is a listicle template, so always there will be a listicle and 4 items, and on the topic of this particular word. This is the old template. I've Yes, sorry. I forgot one more thing. So this particular node has a big prompt, because I wanted to make sure that the text is not overflowing or the text is limited, and the text that the AI agent is generating is for that particular template only, right? So I've added some conditions that it should be of specific characters, it should be of a specific tone or style. You can do this all by yourself, and many of you, I think all of you know how to prompt, right? So this is basic prompting, and we can use this to make it as a base prompt and change the different titles like this. Here we have this entrepreneur. So what we can do is we can probably replace it with a form field which we are taking from our employees or customers, which we whatever we are doing, right? So this title will be changed, and all the four items will be created on behalf of the title that you are going to, or topic that you are going to give it to the AI agent. And I have asked it to always generate the output with that is relevant to our particular template, right? So here you can see that's why there is no overflow of the text. There is no extra text that it is generating, nothing, because we have given it a very strict set of instructions. And that's the power of AI and AI agents. Yeah, so do give me your feedback. I know do give me your feedback. I know was a very long video, 20 minutes video, just for explaining, because my English is very bad. I have to repeat a lot of things many times, so that I'm explaining myself in a well mannered way. So let me know, guys, and also do let me know if you want this particular workflow for your business, and if you want any kind of automation that needs to be done for your business, and if you want to create automatic brand creatives, where will I'm very happy, I'll be very happy to yeah. So do give me your feedback, guys, and do give me your feedback and the work that you are able to do with the workflow, because I know this was very small workflow, but the possibilities are endless. There are n amount of things that you can do using the AI agent, the edit image node, and the and n8n overall, the whole workflow, right? And the next thing that I have been working on is appointment booking agent. So which will do the sale, appointment, and nurturing the customer as well, basically. So do let me know if you want that particular workflow as well. So what that workflow do is it engages with your customer. So do let me know, and what are the other things that you are able to do in this workflow, and do suggest and give me feedback, because I know that there are a lot of things in this workflow that can be improved, and I would be really happy to get feedbacks about how to improve this workflow. And the businesses out there who want to automate their brand creatives and have a very complex and good brand creative automation process available for them for free, I'll be very happy to create those brand creatives, create those automations on your set of conditions and scenarios, so that you are able to present your brand in a much better way. All right, have a nice day. I hope you liked the video and the whole tutorial. This was the first time that I have created a YouTube video, so I hope you guys appreciate the work and let me know. Thank you.